Hitachi offers several larger models as part of its ZX-6 mini and compact medium excavator range. These 5 to 8 ton machines are extremely powerful and versatile. The Stage 5 compliant engines offer greater output, ensuring high levels of productivity. A wider range of options, including the auxiliary function lever that ensures excellent control of a variety of attachments, also enhances their versatility. Like all Hitachi mini excavators, they are linked to a valuable customer support tool called ConSite Pocket app. This gives you instant access to operational data by connecting with global e-service via an easily installed ABAX unit. It enables you to check operating hours and location easily on your smartphone or tablet. And plan required maintenance in advance, which means less downtime. So now you can monitor activity and manage your fleet of Hitachi mini and compact medium excavators efficiently from the palm of your hand. Made in the state-of-the-art Hitachi facility in Japan, Hitachi mini and compact medium excavators are completed to an exceptionally high standard at the HCME factory in the Netherlands. They share the same highly responsive hydraulics and controls for which all Hitachi excavators are renowned. They perform efficiently thanks to features such as the long blade. And they are easy to maintain with a tilt-up mechanism for convenient access to components and a handy toolbox and easy-to-open engine covers. The battery disconnect switch means safety is ensured. The new larger mini excavators are also equipped with LED lights on the cab and boom, which last longer than halogen alternatives. Inside the spacious ROPS-compliant cab, air conditioning is standard, and the ergonomic design ensures user-friendly operation. The design commonality of the ZX-85 US/USB 6 compact medium excavators and larger models highlights their ability to offer high levels of performance. These models have increased engine-rated power, a large multifunctional LCD monitor that shows data at a glance, a heated wide adjustable sliding suspension seat, and a rear-view camera and sun visor for optimum visibility. Hitachi ZX-6 mini excavators, designed and engineered to meet your needs.